guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Solidworks, which is based on the Solidworks and CAD design software. Okay, now if you are new here, you can go and just click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get more valuable and interesting knowledge about the Solidworks and mechanical designing perspective. If you are new or intermediate, you can go and just watch all the tutorials I have made in previous lecture. Okay, so you can see, and you can also I will provide you the link, or I have one GrabCAD channel whose name is also CAD Design Master. I will provide the link of this channel in description. You can just go click on and follow me. It will help me. Okay, so let's start our tutorial. In this tutorial, in previous tutorial, I have explained you about the freeform, planar face, offset weight, etc. And now in this tutorial, I will go now to explain you the swept surface of the surface tool, swept surface command of the surface tool. Okay, if you are new, just click on subscribe button to get more information and interesting knowledge about the SolidWorks complete course. In future, I will make the more videos on mold tools and sheet metal, also on markup, what is the use of this color, and also evaluate. Okay, it is very important tool in SolidWorks. Okay, now just let's start our tutorial, which is based on the swept surface. Okay, I have made all and I completed the all the tutorials of the feature, that is extrude boss, revolve boss, and much more, all the things in very deep knowledge. If you have not watched this, you can go and watch it. So let's start our tutorial. Now to use the swept surface, you will have to make the two sketches, one for contour surface and second one for the direction. Okay, so just click on top plane, create a new sketch, make any sketch. I am making on like here the corner, sorry, not the corner, I am taking circle, circle. Select the center and drag it and give dimension to it. Okay, dimension it 100 mm. Okay, just go from this. Okay, now take the perpendicular surface, plane or surface. Now I am taking the right plane over here and create select or sketch right by right clicking. Go to the normal to view by clicking Ctrl and 8 key on your keyboard. Now select the SP line. There are multiple type of the SP line over here, that is a style SP line, equation driver, curve. I have explained this in brief in previous tutorial. If you have not watched that tutorial, you can go and watch. It is very informative. Now I am selecting this only simple SP line. Okay, why it is not selecting? Okay, it's selecting. I'm selecting this center. I'm sketching roughly over here. Okay, like this. It will taking automatically the relation between two. Okay, now just right click of mouse and click on select. Okay, now just go from the sketch. Now select go to the surface, that is swept surface, swept boss in feature tool, but I am explaining you the surface, swept surface. Okay, just go surface and click on swept surface like this. Now here SolidWorks will ask you to select the profile. Now select the contour or circle which I have made in sketch 3. Okay, and select the, now select the path. For path I am selecting this curve. Okay, now you can see what is happening. Okay, here is multiple options here. If you want to the guide curves, if you have multiple curves over here, you can also make the guide curves. Okay, now there is one more option, that is follow path, keep normal, etc, etc. Okay, now here is three option: mesh preview, zebra stripe, and curvature bounds. Okay, if we select the mesh preview, it will make the mesh over here. Okay, there are the multiple options. We can reduce the mesh density 1 to 20. Okay, it is That is, swept surface or swept sweep is a very useful tool in designing the pipe or construction of the pipeline or any surface like this, like mug, the handle of the mug, etc, etc. Okay, you can control it from here. Okay, by increasing the mesh density and just click on OK. Now you can see, we will see here the final output like this. Okay, you can see the handle of the mark has been created. If we want to change the diameter, you can just go, click on arrow, select this sketch, click on edit sketch, and click on dimension, and you can reduce. If I want to reduce it from 100 to 20, and just I am reducing, and just click on OK. Okay, now you can see what is the changes has been occurred in our final part. Okay, it is basically the empty from inside. If we want to cross section view of this, you can. Okay, just see what is this, what I want to explain. Okay, let's me correct it. Wait a second. Okay, this is completely empty surface. I'm clicking on OK. You can see this is very complete, it is empty space. Okay, now just re-click on section view and go to our original view, that is perspective view. Okay, in next tutorial we will discuss about the sheet metal, that is sheet metal commands like the base plane step, convert to sheet metal, lofted plane. Okay, okay, just click on okay. Okay, if you want to give me any suggestion, or if you want to get any lecture or tutorial on any topic, you can ask me in comment section. I will definitely provide and make the new tutorial on the basis of your comment in earliest possible. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, that is CAD Design Master. Okay, if you are new, please watch that all video, it is very helpful. I have explained each and everything in detail. You can see your mirror, rib, etc, etc. Okay, thanks again.